Greetings, traders. What an incredible choppy day we are having today. Anyway, I am able to overcome the chop. I have discovered some brand new codes. I have code 9 and I have code 10. These two codes make a huge difference in the market, even in a choppy market like today. One really super good thing about the code 9, unlike the code 8, is that it has relatively small stops to it, which is really nice, and you get a lot of trades. Code 10 is really super good, maybe the best code of all, but it's similar in nature to, let's say, like code 8. Right now, I'm using a combination of code 8 and code 9 together. Also, for code 5 traders, I have found a very unique and very good way of improving the accuracy of code 5. By the way, this should be a 1,000 tick trade right here. By using a combination of code 9 for the entry and code 10 and code 5. By using those three codes, I'm able to tell that this will go up 1,000 ticks from here. Okay, it's getting ready to launch here. It's going to take off. Here it goes. Up 1,000 ticks. Now I should be able to hit the 1,000 ticks sometime next week. It won't take very long. Today's Thursday, so I figure I'll hit it by maybe about Wednesday or certainly by Friday of next week. It won't take that long. It's going to shoot up really fast. This is a combination of knowing, different things. Like I use the code 9 for the entry and use the code 8 as the overall signal, and then of course the code 5. Now, it hasn't gone code 5 long yet, but when it does, it's going to take off, and it'll go code 5 long. I don't know when. It might do it today or do it tomorrow, but it'll go code 5 long. Anyway, I'll be back. I think it's going to rip higher here very, very soon and take off going up. And basically, it's just going to go straight up for, well, every day. Every day it's just going to go straight up for into next week. It might take like a break on one day or something, but for the most part, it's just going to go straight up and hit 1,000 ticks relatively quickly. By the way, I am sending out signals, and this is also a signal here, and this is a code 8 signal to go long. Okay, trade is moving up here. Got a long ways to go to hit 1,000 ticks, obviously. In at 30,368, need to hit 31,368 for 1,000 ticks. I'll be back. Okay, I've got 200 ticks on this thing now. In at 368, it's up to 568 right there, 569. 200 ticks and only 800 ticks to go. Piece of cake. This is a special code 5 that's coming up here, and this code 5 acts as a code 4, and it's going to move up really big. Just like we got a code 4 signal, came down 2,000 ticks, and now we're going to get similar signal but a different one, and it'll go up 1,000 ticks. So it's all in the code. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I just want to give a quick update here. It's now the next day. It's Friday, and up here a bit. In at 368, it's now at 826, as you can see, 829, 830. And it's just moving up, and by next week sometime, I should be able to hit the 1,000 ticks with no problem. And the reason why I'm able to do this is not because I'm taking a guess or because people are going to buy stocks or buy the YM and make it go up. That is not the reason why it's going to go up 1,000 ticks. The reason why it's going to go up 1,000 ticks is because it's already been scripted in advance to do so. The direction and the price has already been set. It is not something that is going to play out in real time through the dynamic of buying and selling. That is not what's making it move. It's moving because it's already been scripted in advance to do so. I have broken the script, broken the code, broken the computer that's behind the movement of this to know which direction it's going to go and even how far it will go, like on this particular one, 1,000 ticks. So this is how I'm able to do this. Otherwise, if that were not true, if it were not scripted in advance, there would be no mathematical way whatsoever to say that it's going to go up 1,000 ticks. None. There would be absolute zero mathematical chance of being able to predict that with any kind of accuracy whatsoever. Because if it were buying and selling, then at any time people could come out and sell and make it go down. At any time people could come out and buy and make it go up. You don't know what's going to happen in the future. You don't know what's going to happen 5 minutes from now, a half an hour from now, a day from now. You don't know. News could come out, people could get scared and sell. It could go down 1,000 ticks, not up 1,000 ticks, right? Wrong. It's going to go where it was scripted to go, period. There's nothing that can stop that. There's no amount of buying and selling that can stop that. It's going to go where it was scripted to go. And I'm just telling you, it's been scripted to go up 1,000 ticks. And that's how I'm going to hit 1,000 ticks off of this trade. I'll be back. So basically what I'm saying, though, is that everyone in the world is being lied to on a very complex level. Everyone in the world has been told that the markets are a free market, that people are buying and selling openly, and that the prices are going up and down based upon this buying and selling. That's what people in the world believe. And I'm here to tell everybody in the world that that's a lie. You've been lied to. You've been lied to by the entire media, by the government, by everyone. You've been lied to. It is not true. All of the markets worldwide have been put under the control of a computer program. And this thing is running as scripted, as programmed. It is not buying and selling. The good thing about this, the bad thing about this is that it's a total scam. Worldwide scam being used to cause inflation, to make people poor, and to have total control over everything, to crash a country's currency, make them poor instantly overnight, all kinds of things. If the country doesn't do what they're told to do, they crash the currency. And now they're all poor. They have total control. But the good thing is that you can use their corruption to be able to make money from it, because the weakness is that it's all scripted in advance. All you have to do is learn how the script works, learn how the code works, and then you can take advantage of it, like I'm doing right now, and like I'm doing for my clients for the signals. The signals are unbelievably successful. So if you're having trouble making money at the markets and you want to make money at the markets, by all means, you should either get my signals or use my codes. Or you be like everybody else in the world and you believe this lie and you try to trade based upon this lie that the markets are buying and selling and going up and down because of buying and selling and going up and down because of the news that comes out. If you believe this lie, you're never going to be successful at trading the markets. You have to take a bigger step than that. Take a step out of the box, so to speak, and realize that it's just a computer program. All you need to do is master that program, and then you will know which direction it's going to go at all times, up or down. Soon I'm going to start talking about the implications of the markets all being scripted in advance worldwide, because obviously there are many implications to that. Problem is I can't talk about it on YouTube. They don't allow it. They don't allow the truth to be spoken, basically. None of the social media places do. They're all owned by the same people, and they're all in a conspiracy to keep anybody from knowing the truth about anything at all. They take away all truth and bring forth nothing but pure lies, is what they do. And so therefore I can't talk about it on YouTube, but I will talk about it on BitChute and talk about many things, but one of them being the implications of all of this, what all of this really means, and why they've done it, what they're using it for. Basically, it's one of the biggest scams in world history, being only trumped by money itself. Money itself, of course, is a total scam, and so are the markets. So they have two gigantic scams taking place on planet Earth. You have one that's money, the whole entire concept of money, and two, that the entire global markets in every country there has all been scripted in advance. There's not going up and down because of buying and selling. It's going up and down because a computer program has been scripted to make it do so. Every single instrument on planet Earth. There is not one instrument that trades on planet Earth that is not scripted in advance. Not one. Okay, today is Friday, and it looks like I might be able to hit the exit today. I'm in at 368. Just needed to go up another 468 ticks, and I can hit my exit. It is a possibility I could do so today. And if it comes, I'll go ahead and take it. Otherwise, I'll just hold it into next week. Okay, I am getting close here to 1,000 ticks. Needs to go up to 368, 31,368 for 1,000, and I am ready to get out. I'll be back. Okay, why I'm getting very close to the exit here. It's at 331. Just needs to make it up to 368. Should be coming very soon. Okay, it's getting close here to the 1,000 tick exit. This is going to be 1,000 ticks in under 24 hours. So this one is a really fast one, and it's only going to go higher, but I just wanted to show, which I will take advantage of as it goes up. I just wanted to show though that I can use the codes to take a 1,000 tick trade, and that through my signals, code 8 signals, you can hit trades like this. I'll be back. Okay, here comes the exit here. Okay, here comes the exit. Went to 67 there. I'm just waiting for it to go up to the exact amount. I'll probably exit a little bit over. I just want to show 1,000 ticks in about 24 hours here. Okay, there's 70 right there. Going to go ahead and exit here. Okay. There it is. Out 25,000 was the trade there for 1,000 ticks at 5 contracts. Anyway, if you want to hit trades like this, you can sign up for my signals, Code 8 signals, and hit trades like this. But every day I'm sending out the signal, and every day we're doing super well. So highly recommend the signals if you are wanting to trade and make money. Anyway, I'll be back with more videos.